So in this lab, we're going to look at 9.4.2 and we're going to implement physical security. So based on review of physical security measures. Okay, so let's just start the up right away. So based on our tags here on the left pane, what we're going to do is to make sure our plan includes installing smart card readers, IP cameras, signs, and access and logbook. So we're going to install 2 IP cameras in the appropriate locations to record which employee accesses a networking closet. The security cameras should operate over the TCP/IP network. Security cameras attached. Okay, so we start up. First thing we want to do is to go over to the security camera. What we'll do is to drag it to the appropriate location, which is here. And the reason why we're putting this here is so as to capture whoever is coming into the building. And we're going to drag another camera and put it right here. Now, the reason why we're going to place it in this location is to capture people going, or whoever is going into the server room, which is the networking closet. Okay, so let's see. We're going to insert smart key readers. Okay, so here we have a smart reader here. So go ahead and fix a smart reader here. We take another smart reader right here, and we want to place another smart reader right here. And the reason why it is going to be here is so as to control whoever is coming into the reception area. By the first camera, the first reader is to capture who is going into the networking closet. So we're going to take our register and place it on the table here. The reason is because so as to be able to allow visitors to register their names when they come into the building. Now we're going to put this restricted sign over here so as to warn those coming into the building. Let's go ahead and check our answers and see how we do, and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. And if you're having challenges with any of your tech courses and you've not been able to complete most of the assignments and you are certain that you might end up getting an F or fail the tech courses, so don't worry about that. Reach out to me through WhatsApp and I will make sure by the end of the term, I'll make sure you come out with an A. I'll be with you all through and make sure all of your assignments are done and you end up coming up with an A. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.